simple discount. So, in reverse to the simple interest. Yung simple discount naman is mina-minus. Kung yung simple interest, ina-add natin dun sa principal amount, ito namang simple discount, mina-minus natin siya. So, meron tayong formula. Yung formula natin for solving discount, simple discount, is just equal to D is equals to F times D times T, F dt, okay? Where yung D dyan is equals sa discount, yung F is equals to final amount, or yun na lang yung natirang amount after siyang bawasan ng discount. Yung D is the discount rate, and again yung T is yung time, okay? Ngayon, itong time na ito, nagkakaroon lang ng time kapag merong loan. Okay? Loan. Okay? O kaya, nag-borrow. Tapos may discount. Pero wala siya. Walang time kapag bibili tayo ng services. Okay? Buying goods. Diba? Halimbawa, bumili ka ng t-shirt tapos merong simple discount or off sale, ganyan. So, wala na siyang time na nilalagay. So, ngayon, meron naman tayong derivation ng formula na ito kapag ang hinahanap natin is yung discount rate. So, pag nag-discount rate tayo, ang ating formula is D is equals to D over yung FT. Okay? Kapag naman yung time yung pinag-uusapan, that is T over D, that is D over FD, yung maliit na D, okay? And kapag naman F, yung final amount yung pinag-uusapan natin, that is equals to the discount over the discount rate times time, okay? So, ito kapag loans yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, ito. Tsaka yan. Ngayon, ibang kaso kapag bumibili tayo ng product kasi wala naman tayong time. Okay? So, dito sa example natin, okay. So, ito yung ating question. So, Kadon borrowed 4,800 pesos for 9 months from Gabi who charged 5 and 3/4% simple discount for good payer customer. How much money did Kadon borrowed? Okay? So, ngayon, ilalagay natin yung mga given. Yung given, meron daw binaro or meron daw inutang na loan si Mr. Kadon that is equals to 4,800. Okay? And then, yung time dyan, nag-utang siya is payable siya in 9 months. Yung 9 months, that is 9/12. With the rate or discount rate na 5 and 3/4. Okay? So, that is equals to 0.0575. Okay? Ngayon, ang tinatanong dyan is find the amount na makukuha niya or yung P. Pero, bago mo makuha itong P, that is equals to F minus D or yung malaking letter D. Yan. Hanapin mo muna itong D. D is equals to F dt. Okay? So, ngayon, ilalagay na natin yan dyan. That is equals to 4,800 times yung discount rate, 0.0575 times yung times na 9/12. And yung discounted or yung discount amount is yung discount is just equals to 207 pesos. Okay? Ngayon, hindi pa yan natatapos dyan kasi ang hinahanap kung magkano na lang yung babayaran niya after ma-minus or after ma-deduct yung discount. So, you have to use the P is equals to final amount that is 4,800 minus the 207 discount. Okay? So, yung total amount na makukuha ni Mr. Kadon is equals to 4,593 pesos. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na iba naman yung formula niya kapag goods or bibili ka ng mga products na merong discount. Okay? So, ang problem is a shoulder bag cost 1,250 pesos with a discount tag or nag-sale yung siguro yung store of 10% discount. Okay, so how much is the final cost of the bag? Okay, so ilagay natin yung given. So yung given, yung first amount or first value is 1,250 pesos. Okay? And yung discount rate is 10% or 0.1. Okay? So ito lang, wala kasing time, 'di ba? So yun lang, discount is equals to 1,250 times 0.1. Ngayon, ang makukuha mong discount dyan is 125 pesos. Okay? Yun na ba yun? Yun yung ibabawas. Okay? So, kukunin mo ulit yung P is equals to F minus D. Okay? Yung F natin is 1,250 minus 125 pesos. And yung total amount ng bag is just equal to 1,125 pesos. Yun na lang yung amount ng bag